Everybody's been asking, can you use travel mode when you are walking around outside, or is it only for the car or the plane? Let's see, let's test it out. So first I have to look up and activate travel mode. And as I walk forward, you can see that nothing is happening. Travel mode is on, but as I try to turn on my menu, I get errors, it's jittery. It's really not meant for that. So as I keep walking, that's not going to happen. So let's go ahead and see if a movie will work. So we have that pinned here, confirming again the travel mode is on. Movie is pinned. As I walk, you can see it just disappears. So travel mode not working in this situation. All right, now that we're on the bike, we can actually see it's kind of working. If I go ahead and open up my menu, see how it's staying somewhat pinned, although it keeps disappearing. Tracking failed. I gotta say, riding the bike out here is not that bad. And here, we can see ideally, we might have a little map right here, but there it goes again. So not really meant for being on the bike. Let's pull off just right over here. So now travel mode is off as I'm trying to walk around here, and you can see with travel mode off, of course, as I walk around, that's going to stay pinned over here. And what you have to do then is to grab it, and then you can walk. So it's really not ideal to have to grab it like this. But if you do want to do it that way, the most you can really do is have two apps open, one and two, and there you go. Now I can walk around looking like this, like an idiot, pinching both hands and have two apps in front of me. But no, this is not going to be ideal for any sort of person trying to use this outside. So do I recommend it? No way.